To allow or disallow your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to receive wireless emergency alert for test alert, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find safety and emergency. Tap safety and emergency. Tap wireless emergency alert. And then tap the on off switch next to test alert to enable or disable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that the wireless emergency alert for test alert is enabled and you are allow your phone to receive carrier tests and monthly tests from the safety alert system. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.